Welcome to NAB, where Blackmagic announced this new Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Yes, it may be as ugly as a dash cam your parents bought from Costco, but this camera is not about what it looks like. It is all about what it can do.
Hello.
Hello!
What do we have here?
This is our new Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. It's basically the successor to our Pocket Cinema Camera. Obviously, it's a 4K camera, so it does 4K, Ultra HD, as well as HD. But it has a lot of the same similarities we're familiar with on the Pocket Cinema Camera. You'll see that it has the MFT lens mount, uses the same SD card slot, as well as using the same LPE6 batteries, 13 stops of dynamic range, recording RAW and ProRes. All the things that made the Pocket Cinema Camera great. But we've done a ton of upgrades over the years to go ahead and bring this out. It's now using a 4/3 size sensor, so it's a much bigger sensor, giving you that kind of 1-to-1 ratio with the MFT lens mount. In addition to the SD card slot, it also has a CFast card slot to be able to do those higher frame rates in Ultra HD, but it also has a USB-C output, and that output can be used to go out and go to a drive. So if I have a small flash drive, it can be powered off of that, or it can go off to a large multi-terabyte drive if we want to just go ahead and endless recording on it. But tons of little things that we've added on there people have been asking for years. Full-size HDMI output, a photo button to be able to steal a DNG away and just put it away into the photo folder, adding function buttons that can be programmed, 10 LUTs that can be loaded on to either be burned in or do on the output monitor, the huge 5-inch monitor that we put onto the back, really bright, really responsive, but new like touchscreen to be able to drag where our focus is going to be, our new wheel to be able to change our functionality. We can change our ISO off of there. Speaking of ISO, much wider ISO range. It's our first dual native ISO camera with a 400 and 3200 native ISO, but it goes all the way up to 25,600. So it's clearly going to be our widest range of ISO we ever had. So lots of great new functionality in camera. We hope to be shipping in September for $12.95, and it comes with a full version of DaVinci Resolve 15.
That is ridiculous.
So we really tried to put the icing on the cake and deliver it all at once. We're thrilled to be able to show it at NAB 2018.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
So it's very easy to use. So if you like to change your parameter, just tap on it. Right? The parameters will show up. Just
perfect.
touch and there you go.
4K 60 frames per second,
That is correct.
but it doesn't have the optic image stabilization.
Not on camera.
Not on camera.
Battery life for each battery, it lasts about an hour of recording.
An hour of recording.
To change the iris, so you can just tap on the iris, right?
Yeah.
And the iris menu comes out, and you can just use the scroll wheel to change the iris.
I see.
Yeah, it's very convenient.
It is convenient. Yeah. And what are these? Are those microphones?
Yeah, so there are actually 2 microphones. Actually, no, 4 microphones, 2 on each side. Right, they're actually embedded in these 2 grills over here. So the idea is that with these two sets of microphones apart, your stereo separation will be better.
And this is for heat?
Yes, it's active cooling.
So no overheating?
Definitely.
Definitely no overheating. That is so cool. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you very much for coming down.
Thank you so much for watching this NAB 2018 special video. My question is, what do you think about this Pocket Cinema 4K? I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this. Is it something you'll be getting? Did it meet your expectations? Please let me know in the comment section below. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın.